Time spent on decks should be a time of peace and relaxation, not time spent looking at all the problems. Warped boards, split ends, and nails or screws popping up. Traditional built decks, constructed with nails or screws driven through the face of the board, cause not only eyesores, but they can be dangerous as well. Now the Kreg deck jig system puts a brand new angle on an old approach to building decks. Utilizing tools and basic skills that you already have, this concealed fastener system allows you to build a beautiful, long-lasting deck you have always wanted. Combining the strength and durability of face screwing with proven pocket hole technology to hide the fasteners, this system is the perfect 1-2 punch for a deck that is simple to build, gorgeous, and safe. The core of the Kreg deck jig system is its solid metal drill guides, which allow you to drill holes and drive screws at the precise angle and perfect depth time after time. The angle of the guides not only hide the screws on the edge of the board, but are optimal for maximum holding power, while the screw depth is precisely controlled, which eliminates overdriving and blowing out the board, or underdriving, leaving exposed fasteners and loose boards. This process is made fast and worry-free by the included depth collars on both the driver bit and drill bit that are set using the gauges molded right on the jig. Once set, just drill the hole, load the screw, and drive it home. The Kreg deck jig is equipped with 3 drill guides, a center guide, and 2 angle guides. Using the center guide in the center of the joist allows for the most holding power, while the angle guides provide you flexibility by going where the center guide cannot, such as spliced or obstructed ends. The fasteners themselves are specifically designed for use with the Kreg deck jig, featuring a deep KTX square drive that gives you solid driver engagement, which means no cam-outs, self-tapping tip for fast, easy driving, and they are built from case-hardened steel to eliminate bending or breaking. These screws can also be used as face screws for a variety of outdoor projects. Available in ProTech coat and stainless steel finishes. Choose which one is right for your application. The Kreg deck jig system does not stop there. The kit comes with sample screws, an instructional DVD, and spacer rings. These 1/4 inch and 5/16 inch spacer rings allow you to maintain consistent spacing on your deck boards, which not only gives your deck a better overall appearance, but more importantly, allows for proper air movement, which reduces moisture buildup, making for a longer lasting deck. The system is light, built for rugged use, and comes with a lifetime guarantee. Rubber feet on the bottom of the jig prevents slipping while drilling and driving, and the oversized handle provides a comfort grip, keeping your hands away from the action. The Kreg deck jig system works with a variety of easy-to-buy materials you are already familiar with. Composites and exotic hardwoods between 3/4 inch and 5/4 inch can all be adding charm to your deck. Whether you are building a deck from scratch or giving your existing deck a facelift, there has never been an easier, more economical way to have the beautiful, long-lasting deck you've always wanted with concealed fasteners. Learn more online at KregTool.com or visit your local Kreg dealer today.